Transform your email marketing with perfectly customized Beehiiv newsletter templates that command attention and build a stronger brand connection today. First things first, let's dive into your Beehiiv dashboard to start customizing. We need to navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this usually located in the sidebar on the left. Click on Settings. And then look for the Email tab. Within the Email tab, you'll find the Templates option. Click on that to access all your newsletter template options. Here on the Templates page, you have two main paths. You can either build a brand new, custom template from the ground up, or you can modify an existing one to better suit your brand. For this tutorial, let's explore modifying an existing template. First, find a template that's close to what you want, and click the Edit button or the template name itself to open it in the editor. Welcome to the Beehiiv Email Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a visual representation of your template. Navigate your cursor over different sections of the email, like the header, body paragraphs, or any buttons, and you'll notice they become selectable. Clicking on a section will bring up a toolbar or a panel with customization options. This panel is your creative hub. Here, you can effortlessly change fonts to match your brand's typography, adjust text sizes for optimal readability, and pick perfect brand colors for backgrounds, text, and buttons using the color picker. Don't forget to explore the spacing options to ensure your content breathes and looks polished. Want to add more elements? On the left side of the editor, you'll typically find a menu of content blocks. You can easily drag and drop elements like images, dividers, social media icons, or custom HTML blocks directly into your template to enhance its structure and visual appeal. Once you're happy with your modifications, always remember to click the Save or Update button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editor. This ensures all your hard work is preserved. Now, if you're feeling ambitious and want to start from scratch, simply click on the Create New Template button. This will present you with a blank canvas, much like the editor we just explored, allowing you complete freedom to build your ideal newsletter structure using all the same drag-and-drop features and styling options. By mastering these simple steps, you can ensure every email you send from Beehiiv not only looks incredibly professional, but also perfectly reflects your unique brand identity, ultimately driving more engagement with every send.